NinjaTraders here, top of the morning. So got a nice reversal here on NQ. We're about to take 2 contracts off. We're just trading micros. If you've been watching my channel for a little bit here, you saw that just this week I started a $5,000 cash account. We normally trade on funded accounts, but I put $5,000 into an account, and with a first week goal of about $200 per day. Yeah, so it looks like we're about to take off 2 contracts, hopefully, and I'll tell you why I'm in this trade real quick. Let me zoom this out just so you can see it. So sorry to get these reversal candles. Gray are reversal candles. Sideways gray candles are indecision. These are reversal candles. Got the green background. We went from hot pink, which is your strongest downside candle, to reversal candle, which is gray, to green candles and a green background. We also have 2 confidence arrows to the upside. On the we have now broken above the Maverick guide. Remember, when price is below this blue line, we go short. Okay, when price is above the blue line, we go long. Okay, so we broke above the Maverick guide. And I guess we took profit on half so far. Okay, that's cool. So we're already out of 2 contracts here. And again, my goal is only about $200 a day on this account. I like to just get it over with so I can go trade my funded accounts. But my goal is to compound this account. So, $200 a day for week 1. Now you started with 5,000. Now I'm up to 6,000. Okay, great. Week 2, I'll bump it up by a couple of micros and, shoot for about $250 a day. Okay, well, $250 a day. If I hit that target by the end of week 2, I should be about 50% up, 50% up on my account. And then we'll just keep bumping it up from there. That is my goal. So we just got taken out of 2 contracts. We took that out, so we're still in it for about $50 in profit, and which is a good thing. So I just like to clip off a couple contracts and then let the others go, because who knows, NQ could just keep flying up, right? And it could come up to here. This is pre-market. Market has not opened yet, so let me put my stop loss to break even. We've already made profit. So the Maverick Bear Bull is showing bulls are in control. This is looking at a complex formula data-wise to see who's in control, the bears or the bulls. And right now, it is calculating that the bulls are in control. You can't just tell by the color of a candle and by the size of it who's actually in control, right? You got to look at more deeper data. And what the bear bull is doing is it's looking at a complex formula to decide whether the candle's going up or down, who's in control, the bears or the bulls, because that'll tell you what's going to happen moving forward, right? Maverick Trender is pegged to the top. This green line, it cannot go any further. When you get multiple bars, this is when you get something like this, which is a flat top. Cannot go any further. So that is showing strength and momentum when your Maverick Trender is pushed up all the way to the top. We have an uptrend label. And then my Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders, think of T1 through T5. They're all algorithms, but think of T1 through T5 as 5 expert traders. And they all have a different style. They all have a different fundamental basis. And right now, all 5 of them are voting, for the most part, bullish across 6 time frames. So imagine if you could be in a room with 5 other expert traders and you're getting their opinion on the 1 minute and on the 2 minute and on the 3 minute chart and so on and so forth. And by the way, you can set these for whatever you want. If you want it on the 30 minute, the 90 minute, the 2 hour, the 4 hour, and you can actually add a 7th time frame. But this is like trading with training wheels. 5 other expert traders are giving you their opinion on multiple time frames. That is powerful, okay? So again, we have a green background. We've gone from hot pink candles, which is your strongest downside candle, to gray reversal candles, to green candles. And then bright green is your strongest upside candle. So I would love to get a couple of bright green candles coming up here, but let the Maverick AI Pro guide you and tell you what's the data behind the candle. Just because it's going up doesn't mean that it's going to keep going up. So this is going to color code it by strength. So Remember, we've already clipped off half of our position here. So we've already taken profit. Your Maverick Bear Bull is showing bulls are in control. By the way, again, we have officially closed above the Maverick guide. Okay, remember, when price is below the Maverick guide, we go short. When price is above the Maverick guide, we go long, and I can show you example after example of that. But that's just one of the ingredient. Then we look at the background color, we look at our confidence arrows, we look at the color of the candle. Bulls are in control. Maverick Trender is pegged to the top. This green line is pegged to the top. Can't go any further. You have an uptrend label. And then 5 traders across 6 time frames are all voting bullish. Okay? So that is how we stack probability, and we have confidence in our trades, right? Look at all these time frames. They're all voting bullish, except for the 10-minute and the 5-minute and the 15-minute rather. But you've been coming down for a while here. So these are going to turn slowest, So if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want, edge in the market, if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started, and stack probability in your favor, not financial advice, do your own research. This is just something I'm sharing with you guys that I'm doing for fun, putting $5,000 in an account, and I'm just going to compound it week in, week out. But I also like to get these trades out of the way so I can go trade my funded accounts and I can trade like much larger sizes. But again, don't take my word for it, not financial advice, do your own research. Come check out on our website what our traders are saying. We have so many traders that are crushing it. It's unbelievable. It's so cool to see. It's very rewarding. So, and by the way, welcome to all our new lifetime Maverick AI Pro bundle members that joined yesterday. There were quite a few of you guys. We just took profit on our 3rd contract. And now I'm just going to let this sucker run up. Again, my goal was only about $100 to $200 per day on week 1. But we've already taken profit on 3 contracts so far on the way up. So this one contract alone could get me halfway there. And the other contracts, obviously, I've already taken profit, and we should make our $200 easily from this one trade. Okay, cool. If you want edge in the market, come check us out. Do your own research, but come check us out. Read what our traders are saying on our site, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.